Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can create templates on Squarespace and then sell them for a profit. So let's get right into it. Now, the first thing you're gonna possibly want to do if you actually want to create the templates that people use when creating their sites that are available in the website builder by Squarespace, you are going to have to contact Squarespace themselves and try to get a job there. There are specific developers that actually make those templates, or rather they're not even templates, they're just starter bases, because the templates were removed in Squarespace 7.1 and everything is pretty much the same template. You're just using different layouts that people have created. So if you have experience in coding, you can hit them up and try to get a job over there. However, if you just want to sell templates, for example like this one, if you want to create a custom template and then sell it to a client through any means that you can find, then you can just go ahead and create a site such as this one, and then you can go ahead and sell it to somebody else. Now, the way that you can sell it to somebody else, of course, they have to pay you first, and then you can go ahead and go into your settings and transfer the ownership to them. You just need to go into permissions and ownership, and then you need to invite them as a contributor and make sure you put in their name and address, email address, and then make sure to give them administrator privileges, send the invite, and once they accept, you can click on transfer ownership next to your account name. Then you're just going to need to log in with your account again, and once you do that, you'll be able to transfer ownership to them completely. Here you will see a drop down menu of all your admins, and just select them for transferring ownership, then go ahead and follow the steps to the end, and that is pretty much it. And yeah, it's as easy as that. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.